Okay, so in this video, we will talk about how to write a chemical formula, how to balance the charges. Here, we will start with a question where I have already put that, why is sodium chloride formula is NaCl and for magnesium chloride, it is MgCl2. Why? So let's have a look. When we are talking about sodium chloride, let's write the ions. So ions are sodium Na plus. Plus means plus 1 because sodium belongs to group 1. So its charge is plus 1 that it gains after losing an electron. Then here chloride ion Cl, it has minus 1. It belongs to group 7. So group 7 means it has 7 electrons and it gains 1 electron to complete its valence shell. That gives it minus 1 charge. Okay, sodium is group 1. Now, after that, let's have a look. So sodium, it is plus 1. Chloride, it is minus 1. And the formula that we get for sodium chloride, it is NaCl. Now, let's have a look on magnesium chloride. Let's talk about the charges on magnesium, Mg, which has charge of 2 plus because magnesium, it belongs to group 2. All group 2 elements have 2 valence electrons that they lose to form 2 plus charge. Chloride, as usual, as I said, it belongs to group 7. So its charge is what? Minus means minus 1. Now you know what happens. This, the charge on magnesium, and minus, which is actually, minus 1, this will be balanced. How? We need to swap their charges. What does it mean? When this 1 comes here, it will be with Mg. But since it is obvious, so usually we don't write 1, so no need to write it. Then Cl, and this 2 will go there, so means which will make it MgCl2. Yeah, so we need to balance the charges like this. Let me show you the valency table where you will understand better that how we will balance these charges. Yes, this is the valency table as you can see here that I have put here. So you can see here we have ions, right? We can see here we have non-metallic ions. These are all positive ions. These are metallic ions. These are non-metals, okay? Metals and non-metals because we know ions, one ion will be positive, one will be negative. Then other than that, there are polyatomic ions as well. Okay, so this is the valency table, valency chart where you will be able to remember these valencies. Of course, it will not be given in the exam. This is something which will come with practice and we need to remember. Yeah, since now we had a look on the valency table, so we already know that how these charges are balanced. Let's do one more example, I would say, which is aluminium chloride. So I have just shown you the valency table. So you already know that aluminium, its charge is Al3 plus, right? Aluminium belongs to group 3. Other than the valency table, the periodic table will also give you a lot of info, right? So all group 1 elements will have one valence electrons. All group 2 elements will have 2, 3 will have 3, and so on. Group number basically indicates number of valence electrons. And here is what Cl minus. So these charges, they need to be swapped, right? So what will happen? 1 will come here, Al, and Cl3. This is how aluminium chloride has formula AlCl3. So if you can see sodium, which belongs to group 1, So its charge was Na plus and the formula is NaCl. Magnesium, which belonged to group 2. So its charge was Mg2 plus, so the formula was MgCl2. Aluminium, it belonged to group 3. So its charge was 3 plus. That is why it has formed the formula of AlCl3. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept. We will be practicing more in next videos.